Today, I want to share with you how can you create a Facebook pixel and how can you integrate this pixel with your website using GTM or Google Tag Manager. Google Tag Manager is a very useful and very advanced tool for GTM setup and tracking every tracking setup, uh, GA4 tracking or server side tracking, web analytics, uh, any kinds of tracking. A very useful tools is a GTM. This is my GTM profile, and this is my ads manager. Now, at first, I create a pixel for my website. Now, I go to my ad manager, then go to all tools and business setting. Click the business setting. Okay. Wait. Okay, now I want to create a new pixel. That's why add and dataset name. Okay. Mm, my website name on a uh, on a problem 01. Okay. Now create. Okay. Now create my new pixel on a problem 01. Now I want to copy my pixel ID. Then I go to my Google Tag Manager. And at first I want a template, install a template with my Tag Manager. I already uh, edit this Google Pixel template. You can add to search gallery, and you can search Facebook Pixel. This is the Facebook Pixel. You create and edit. Okay. Now I go to my Tag Manager tag section. Okay. I delete this tag. Okay. Delete. Okay. I want to create a new tag. Go to Tag Manager. Name Facebook Pixel. Let's see. Double Facebook Pixel. Setup. Now tag configuration. Go to Facebook Pixel. Now I paste the pixel ID. Okay. Now I want to paste view standard then trigger. Go to trigger all page, all page and save. Okay. I save. Now I want to submit this. Now I want to check my website. It is already pixel is already set up or not. Preview mode. Okay. Preview. Yes. Our tag is fire pixel is Facebook pixels tag is fire. Now now this website is pixel already set up. Okay.